Welcome back once again. We're on the road getting a late start. I only got just tonight to film this video, so I'm kind of in a hurry. I gotta be back here literally in like 12 hours. Gotta be back home, so stuff going on tomorrow I gotta get back for. Anyways, we're gonna go film a video tonight. Kind of a last minute deal. I was gonna potentially work overtime and not able to do that this week, so figured get out and try filming a video for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. We're headed back to the campground. Pretty excited. I got a good meal planned. I'm about to get a fire going when I get there, and we're gonna be eating good tonight, that's for sure. Let's see, I got about a 35-minute drive or so from home, and then I'll be to the campground. Might do some fishing tonight for a little bit. I got my musky rod in here along with another rod. I might just jig for a bit, maybe throw some musky bait, see what happens, and then it'll definitely be dark by the time I make food, unfortunately, but sometimes that's just how it goes. So make some good food, hop in the truck, probably pick out a movie tonight, relax, and get up early and get back home. So even if I get a night to do it, I guess that's just what we got to do. So stay tuned. Thanks for coming along, and hope you enjoy. I'm just pulling into the campground. Probably hit the river for a quick couple minutes here. Got the musky rod. Throw some baits. Find our campsite, and then we'll be making some food, which, like I said, cooking in the dark, which is not my favorite, but what do you do? Got a late start, so that's what we're just gonna have to deal with. This is my shorter musky rod. I got another one that's like 8.5 feet, but it gets to be a pain fitting it in the back seat of my truck, or in my truck I should say. So this thing is about perfect. I don't even know how long this is, probably 6.5, but I do have a longer one. I just didn't bring it, and I think I'm about ready to call her here. This one hasn't gone. Haven't caught nothing on this crawler, and throwing a couple different musky baits. Didn't get too serious. I might bomb this big boy for just a couple quick casts, and then probably head back to camp and get a fire going. Alrighty. Well, fishing did not go to plan. Didn't catch anything. Was nice to get a little bit of fishing in. Ran into a pretty cool couple. Talked to them for a while. They're camping not too far away from me, and they came down and took a dip this afternoon in the river. And now I'm on my way back to camp. Gonna probably get a fire going, start making our food, and then eventually hop in the truck and just have a chill, relaxing night. So stay tuned. And I know you guys can't hardly see me, so I apologize for that, but anyways, we're on our way back to camp. But the only way you guys can see me, fire's going good. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna cook these burgers yet. This grate is just covered in sand. Built a little house out of the wood. Might knock it down, use that, use the coals, I guess, maybe deal with it over this grate. Otherwise, I do have a stove along too, but I prefer to cook them over a fire. I just don't know. This thing is full, chock full of sand. Let's see if I can give you a decent look at that. I mean, that thing is just covered. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet to cook these burgers. I'm pretty sure we don't have chili. I think Lauren forgot to grab that on the list, which is fine. We just make spicy bacon burgers, but either way, let this fire burn a little bit. I'll figure it out and get back to you guys. Good old ice wall power. My grandpa put this little pan over the fire, I guess. Bugs are out, I'll tell you that much. All right, finishing up these burgers here. Oh no, here it comes. Got some burgers and bacon on the fire. Oh boy, here comes the rain. I don't know where we're supposed to get any, but I'm gonna pack all this stuff away quick and hopefully finish up these burgers before the rain really hits. Hop in the truck and we'll be eating. Oh yeah, I can hear it. It's coming. Yep. Here she comes. Raining pretty good. I'm gonna put the camera away, get this meat off the fire, and hop in the truck. Hopefully you guys can hear that. She is thundering, she's lightning, she's raining. I didn't see any of this in the forecast, but she's raining out pretty good right now. Just brought the food in. Gonna make us up some burgers quick, kick back, watch a movie. And yeah, like I said, she's booming pretty good out there. I got pretty soaked coming in. There's our saved meal. It's not too terribly hot. Set that right there. We don't have the chili I wanted, so instead we're just gonna have some spicy, I guess, bacon burgers essentially. We got our burger patty. Throw that on. Throw a strip of bacon on. Got some pepper jack cheese. Gonna throw a couple Flamin' Hot Ranch Doritos on top. Just like that. Unfortunately, like I said, I don't have a plate right now. Oops. Mash them down a little bit. Throw some jalapenos on there. I like it pretty spicy. Good old peeners. Now, oh yeah, rain's coming down now. Throw some ketchup and mustard on there. Alright. Here we go. Oh, she's leaking. Oh yeah. It's so weird, it comes and goes. I'm gonna turn on some Meat Eater right now, watch an episode of that, and then afterwards, I'm done finishing my burger, probably throw a movie on and call her a night.
And trust me, things will get exciting.
Make another one here, hopefully not too messy. Throw a little ketchup and mustard on top.
And that was just a teaser, because the deer are on the move this morning.
Need to hit them with a roar, with a bugle. Or if just sweet talk is something that'll do it.
So when you missed?
Not huge, but yeah. The big deep forks and the hooks and everything. Just the self-loathing I'm having right now.
Woke up. It's 5:10 in the morning already. I ended up falling asleep last night watching Meat Eater and I never woke back up. Pretty tired. I'm gonna turn this light off and catch a couple more hours of sleep before I gotta get up, so. Phew. Rain's still falling off the trees. Feels nice this morning though. Just gonna kind of pile everything in there quick. Whew. Good morning. It's beautiful out this morning. Pretty nice and cool. I don't know what the temp is right now. I gotta hurry up, pack everything up, and get on my way home. So pack up quick and get a move on. Alrighty guys. Unfortunately I don't have long. I'm kind of in a hurry, so didn't really film a whole lot this morning. Kind of just got up and threw everything around the truck, and now we're getting on the road. Heading out of here. Beautiful morning. Wish I could have hung out a little bit longer, but gotta get back. Gotta get some things done. Gotta help out a little bit. So, anyways, I'm on the road home, and I need to stop and grab an energy drink or something. I didn't even have time for coffee or nothing this morning, so grab something and skedaddle our way home. The old corner store. Gonna run in and grab me a drink because I am parched. Got the goods, y'all. Oh man. Good old full throttle to get this morning started. Full throttle True Blue. Just what the doctor ordered. So thirsty. And tired. I was exhausted last night, guys. I just ate that food and crashed. Falling asleep to meat eater. Didn't even really watch a movie, so. Got about a 20-minute drive or so till I'm back home. Not too bad. Just getting home. And I made it in pretty good time. It's only 7:30. It's still 66 degrees outside, so it's fairly nice out. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I just wanted to get out, film something if I was able to. So, food is good. I was tired. Watched a little bit, but I ended up crashing kind of early on. I mean, it wasn't really that early. It was still like 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock or so. But, yeah, anyways, if you guys have any other ideas you want me to do, just leave them in the comments below. I'd greatly appreciate it. There's also a couple comments from people that want me to try out some stuff, and I will get to that whenever the time is right, when I'm able to leave for a little bit more than what I was able to last night. I want to do what you guys want me to do as well, so I'll do my best to make it happen, and really appreciate you all watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next adventure.